It says here to create an if statement with the condition data array index with a strict operator -1. So we have to use the unshift method, which is an array method that is used to add one or more elements to the beginning of an array. Basically, it modifies the original array and returns the new length of the array. So first we have to create an if statement with the condition, which is this one, and within the if statement use the unshift method to add task object to the beginning of the task data array. So first we have to call the array first, task data.array, and then use the unshift method, unshift, and then slapped task object in order to add this task object to the beginning of this array. And I guess we're done.